MPP.
Precisely 2016, 2020. Parties mienu. Ubetima kwatamba bi say oh yeah electoral reforms.
Abusia binuya no. Ene yenhwa asem kakra. Interparty Advisory Committee akwa kwatena se. Na ebra omko meeting no hwe NDC amanyeko no. Monhwe niema yi pa. Monhwe niema yi. First meeting electoral commission free political parties eno mu hia ye awo mu ne omo kasa ye NDC ti oman mu omanko ena electoral commission dia ba bontin say 2024 ye next elections ye be kono ebo awia no mensa pepepe e beto aba na awie hwe NDC for anko. But electoral commission has started a new policy, new reforms. Yenimisa party the alternative political party. Our Ghana Hano the National Democratic Congress. NDC America. NDC in 24, the national chairman, the general secretary, the national organizer obia no more koi. But I say doing ketiaka sembi asema I say doing ketiaka no mebo video ni di achiro. Asema I say doing ketiaka no mebo video no mebo full video no e di achiro. Na asema I say doing ketiaka ne say yeto omayimu na say ye wo party omo ye two political parties womo ato aba womo timi yi MPs embienu 2016 and 2020. Nasa electoral commission be kwa kwatena so no be kwa fanfia party na aka no e dia kwa ye reforms omontra ho na sania ye de vigilante fo akoyi obefro no tam no so ye nim vigilante fo akiri kwan awuzia asemi no e mobo NDC amanyoko no betimi acheche mu dientia omanko IPAC meeting. Na sa mo betra fie, mo betra mo office. Na electoral commission ayom reforms na wie. Na 2024 omo de ba omba implement it. Sa time no number hit street. Sa time no and NDC ba hit street. And answer saying, I don't get it. I didn't know munim say mo the alternative political party. Na mo betimi aboa with reforms no motena ho ema electoral commission our year or conduct election year ekopie mu na du kopie mu court mo se tight for council ye say quotas say niam adentina matena ho ama aban electoral commission any other political party ma me kan tell sama nko IPAC meeting it doesn't stop electoral commission from executing their duty. Send this transfer. No, yes, I know. Ye alternative political party. It's young corner party. No, Massa, it doesn't stop electoral commission. Some bet me, I implement on policy. Oh, one town, no more nyama kukwasa. Now for yakwa control, but we are not so my implementing. Now for the call Adanya electoral commission the reforms about when they called for IPAC meeting. Where were you? Our friend IPAC meeting, CPP koi, PNC koi, Eganonko, Pacosindu, Obia koi, Namway, Abusia koi video nimbra. Asama, Ura, a saving Katia, a dear trouble and teaser. Say, the vigilante for a pamunko for the other time no swan. And almost the vigilante trap, but minimum say, one with the vigilante for the Bako to letter commission everyone more. Say, policy no new ideas in a letter commission, they ban on Pino, Abusia, Yansha video nimbra, answer no. First that and from my Greenfield Scientific about hospital. Omo airboy to dump. Yana ni home runs see your video no besamba.
Electoral commission dey ya medibe kwawie.
Yeah, honey.
Unim so man mu. Parties ya yeto abatimi ye MP ye mienu pe.
Yeah, for now, yes, NDC MPP.
Precisely 2016, 2020.
Yeah.
Parties mienu. Ubetimi akwatran ba bi say oh ye electoral reforms. Now the party no baako. Ene mfiafia ho akokan bom se oh yeah, electoral reforms. Now they are their elections. Their elections no dey babe. Anything that make us say, "Sanse wɔn tete ɛma adwa yɛ kika no nyina no ɛnyɛ nsɛm a ɛba so wɔ man mu so obi yɛ n'adwene sɛ saa abatoɔ bɔ ne wei ne ɛbɛtena ho ama asan ba bie mu a ɛne wɔn sesa ne notes they should change their notes sɛ yɛ bɛtena ho ama saa abatoɔ bɔ ne wei asan ba bie mu wɔ man Ghana mu they should change their notes. Omu di agro. I'm telling them.
No, that means it's easy.
They see omu di agro chirabai.
Wow.
So vigilante now they pam nipa. Yenya in vigilante no kwai.
Hey. You know that is serious.
Me see se vigilante na ba no ankasa de pam nipa. Adentina obi so ntimi fa vigilante pam nipa.
Mo de pam easy.
Wo de ni breso a wo beti.
But that is serious.
Messi ne brebeso. Sab.
Aha. Uti asema. Ora Asiedun Ketia we the General Secretary of the Opposition National Democratic Congress. Na. Was it one? MPP ni NDC ne ruli. What we need members of parliament. Enti meeting na one more akoye na. Wama find nipa ba community unless they tell us say electoral commission and mom notice and that's what we say there was IPAC meeting bi na ba be koso but se mu nima e ba ni say na other political parties ni ehu ye Asiedun Ketia ntimi ankyere mu say wama nya information but do kan say party no wamo NDP ni NDC 2016 2020 and amuyi your friend say members of parliament and no other political party na womo ekoye IPAC meeting no emu omasemo beka is that not valid valid masa the constitutional mandate idea electoral commission no does not give credit to a particular party say a party we am kwa still electoral commission beti ba no you can choose to go you can choose not to. But it doesn't stop electoral commission from functioning. Mami J. Mensa wano ebeye electoral commission till she retires. Obey electoral commission ko ebe kwa kopim so be retire. Na yetiase na main opposition party say IPAC meeting ya ko sisi ye ya to abawie ya munyi problems awo. Ni afra IPAC meeting na manko Adanya electoral commission Ghana MPP ni and this network members of parliament and the other it does not hold water. Semu obibi ya and this semu obibi ya. It is about time you wake up. It's about time you got started because say easy every policy back no mo shasi edi tunwa masa enye no mamu mfre media na media no ye press conference adenya electoral commission ama time na electoral commission ye aba be ka say 3 o'clock ne be pon ye sa policy na ndisi ni ho enu 2024 say omo implement ya ti omo implement ya ndisi betimi aka say ye mpre mamu mpon 3 but amami J. Mensa I still at times I mean who they are na no yakwa kotu abawie ye tu abawie no electoral officers for the past 5 months ye ntwamoka sika $150 million aye dema musa mufan konko ye Ghana kasa pa de tiri bia wo diri bi ho a won ti ase $150 million aye dema musa mufan konko ye voters ID mufan ko ewe no $150 million no ye hu be bia enkonta ko amaye Monya nkunta bia. Abusia ma yɛmfa musi na yɛdi nsɛm yɛ kɔtie wɔ man Ghana mu a ɛnkɔnkɔ yɛ ade papa. Oh. Enti NDC for no mo sorry. Under whose directive and a man was mamunko? Is that the party chairman of Usuan? And now I say, why? Enti NDC for no mo sorry. Under whose directive and a man was mamunko? Is that the party chairman of Usuan? And now I say, why? Enti NDC for no mo sorry. Under whose directive and a man was mamunko? Is that the party chairman of Usuan? And now I say, why? Enti NDC for no mo sorry. Under whose directive and a man was mamunko? Is that the party chairman of Usuan? And now I say, why? Enti NDC for no mo sorry. Under whose directive and a man was mamunko? Is that the party chairman of Usuan? when the man directive they say I pack meeting yanko na moye saa na party supporters at the end of the day now odo mo ma party nti wo ka jobo no ma disu ye adan ya ye panifo say ye to man mu ha se ne hu ye to abawie ye enyema esi ye abusu am yan fa won si come on ba say what you stop